Watch your coffee. Don't spill it. Give it to Granny. So here, Granny. Be very careful. It's hot. Did you do it, Nick?
Yeah.
You gave it to Granny. You didn't spill it. Yep. You want a spoon? Nick, you want to get Granny a spoon?
This. No, this.
Spoon.
No.
For a coffee?
Yep. My daddy's getting you a spoon. Go get it. Nick.
Here you go, Nick. Nick, there's something wrong with his face. But you just do your face like that all the time? He sucked on his jaw where it sinks in on
Yeah,
that
he's
side.
fine. Here.
Okay.
Say, oh wait, you forgot to say you're welcome. Oh, try it again. Say you're welcome. There's not enough.